Hey, I want to introduce you to a powerful tool, Document.net. Document.net gives you API to do everything with a document in PDF, DOCX, RTF, HTML, and text formats. We are starting a series of articles on forms and bookmarks and how to use them with Document Builder. Firstly, you need to create a folder and name it Document Builder. Secondly, launch a Visual Studio and create simple console application. In my case, a project named Builder, and save it in the folder created before. Okay, now using a NuGet, let's install the specific component for creating and manipulating documents. This solution is called Document.net. If you don't have access to NuGet, you can download this solution directly from the developer side. Links to the API and sample code in the description for this video. We installed the component and now we need to add new namespace using SoutinSoft and using soutinsoft.document. We need to specify that we will use document core and document builder. Document builder is a powerful class that is associated with a document and allows dynamic document building from scratch or the adding of new elements to an existing documents. In this code sample, I will show you how to insert a form field. Form fields are a particular case of word fields that allows interactions with the user. Form fields in Microsoft Word include tag boxes, combo box, and checkbox. Document Builder provides special methods to insert each type of form field into the document. You may save a result of PDF or DOCX file. Builder.insert text input to insert a text box into the document. Below example shows how to insert a text input from field into a document. You need to write two strings of code. Firstly, input text, and secondly, add line break. Save our result like a PDF file and launch our code sample. Open the result, and now you may change any text in this form field. If you need to save the changed text, just click Save. You can watch more videos and code examples on our website or YouTube channel. Thank you.